I do restoration, yes I do. But restoration has a lot more to do with than just body and paint repair. I mean, like on this one right here, this whole front end is new, reproduction, replaced, and a cowl hood that we put on, and a whole bunch of other paint work. But also rebuild the carburetor, put all the chrome dress up stuff on it, headers, put a new fuel pump on it, all new belts and mounts, and of course it was a real pain in the ass to remount the air conditioner after I put headers on it. But restoration means mechanical too. I completely dressed and cleaned this motor, put all new parts on it. And today I'm down here installing a pair of Flowmasters and adapting the pipes that are already here, which are still in good shape. They just got junk mufflers. And welding up the collectors to the exhaust that's already on here.